What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Tyler. Behind me we have the Sandworm. A couple months ago I replaced the reverse lights with Lasfit LED bulbs. They sent those out to me. We got those replaced. And then about a month after I posted that video, they sent out a whole set to replace all the lights in the rear. So that's what we're going to do today. I've had these bulbs for a while now, but the truck was in the shop for a month or two, so never got around to it. So today we're going to be replacing the brake lights and the third brake light plus the cargo lights up there with LEDs. And let's see if I can go ahead and hit this. And so this is kind of what they look like now. Obviously we can't replace the running lights. That's just a GM thing. But anyways, we're gonna get up there, replace those. When it comes to these lights right here, all it is a Torx bit, and there's two of them. You take those out, pull the headlight straight out, and there's the LEDs that we got. But I'm gonna get my tools, roll this up so I can access the third brake light up there, and we're gonna get started. Okay, so I got my tools ready. These are the third brake lights. As you can see, they have a white top with a red LED in the middle of them. These are going to be the cargo lights, and these are going to be the rear tail light brake lights. So we're gonna get those replaced. I'm gonna replace one for the moment, and then I'll turn the truck on so you can see the difference between the two, the factory light versus the LED. And these are no polarity, so it doesn't matter which way you flip them for the third brake lights. These ones don't say no polarity on them, so we'll have to make sure we put these in the correct way. But to get the tail light out, this is a T20 Torx bit. Maybe not a T20. Yeah, T20. I think this one's just a little bit stripped, it looks like. There we go. This one's stripped out, so I'll probably have to replace this one if I ever decide to change these out again. As long as I can get it tight, it's whatever. But I showed this in the previous video where I changed the reverse lights, but you kind of just, if you can get your fingers in here, you just kind of wiggle this around. It takes a little bit of force. Yeah, it feels so rough. And then you kind of pull it out towards the edge of the truck, and then it comes out like that. Okay, and then here's where, so this upper one is going to be your reverse light, and this bottom one is going to be the brake light. So we're going to take this out. And it just pulls out. And I should have opened, I think I did this last time where I did all this work and didn't have the bulbs ready. Probably be your best bet to go ahead and get the bulbs out and ready to go, so you're not doing this one-handed. I mean, I could actually just undo the other lights and call it good and take the whole tail light off, but so these don't say no polarity on them. So we're going to just, there we go. It's just a super tight fit. Okay. Then you turn that in there and just a clockwise turn to tighten it. And then I'm not going to screw these in yet because, like I said, I want to make sure they're the right way, but you angle your tail light to get it back in. You can't put it in straight. You kind of have to angle it a little bit, get it over the lip, push this in, and then you kind of just, I did this way easier the first time. It should just push in, there we go. It takes a little bit of force, but we got that in. Now I'm going to turn the truck on and show you the difference between the factory versus the LED. Okay, so there you have it. Obviously those are brighter than the factory, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and replace everything else and then show you what those all look like with the LED. I don't know if I can get those to turn on with the clicker, but anyways, those are just like a warm white. I'm assuming with the LED they're going to be brighter, like a bluish white, more like the reverse. So we're gonna get those changed, get this one changed, bolt this one back in, and then I'll show you the final result. And I'll show you where the screws are up there on that too. Okay, so I got a lot of junk back here. But anyways, these are gonna be T20 Torx spits as well. There's 2 of them, and then it should just pull right out, and you'll replace the bulbs with the new LEDs that we have, and we'll be good to go. I'm gonna do this real quick, and then I'll show you guys the final result. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys there's going to be 1 bulb for the third brake light, 2 for the reverse / cargo lights, and these are just twist left, pull out, place the bulb, put in, turn right, tighten it back up, and just those 2 screws or bolts, and good to go. Okay, here we'll have the moment of truth. Got all the lights installed. I'm going to turn the truck on and see how this goes. Oh yeah, that's way better. And I couldn't really see the third brake light. I mean, I could kind of see the glow that it came on, but I could tell it was brighter than the old one. So yeah, I'll link all these bulbs below that fit the Canyon or the Colorado, and get all your rear lights replaced. And I'm actually excited that these brake lights are like twice as bright as the factory ones. So yeah, I'll link that below, and get your guys' bulbs changed. I'll see you guys in the next video.